In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete iCloud storage easily in 2025. Managing your iCloud storage effectively is essential for ensuring that your devices run smoothly and for avoiding unnecessary extra charges. If you're finding your iCloud storage filling up too quickly, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by navigating to iCloud on your iPhone or iPad. You'll want to open the Settings app and then tap on your name, which appears right at the top of the Settings menu. This will bring you to your Apple ID settings. From there, tap on iCloud and then look for Manage Storage. This section shows you where all your storage is going, giving you a clear picture of what might need tidying up. Now, it's time to decide what to delete. To begin, tap on Backups. Here you'll see a list of devices that have backups stored on your iCloud. Select the device whose backup you no longer need and simply tap Delete Backup. Be cautious with this step, as deleting a backup means you won't be able to restore your device from that backup in the future. Next, it's time to manage your photos. Tap on Photos and then turn off iCloud Photos if it's currently enabled. What this does is stop your photos from automatically being uploaded to iCloud, which can take up significant storage space if not monitored. Be sure you have your photos backed up elsewhere if needed. After handling photos, let's move on to messages. Tap on messages within your iCloud settings and toggle the switch to disable this feature. This stops messages and their attachments from being stored on iCloud, saving a good amount of space, especially if you have lots of conversations. Moving on, you'll want to review what's using space in your iCloud Drive. Tap on iCloud Drive, then Manage Storage. Here you can go through your files and delete any large or unnecessary ones. This can free up a surprising amount of space. Don't forget to check your app's data, as sometimes apps can store significant data on iCloud. Once you've gone through these steps, it's important to finalize the cleanup by emptying the recently deleted folders. Deleted files and photos aren't truly gone until you remove them from here. You can find this by opening either the Photos or Files app and then going to the recently deleted section. Make sure to delete everything permanently to ensure your iCloud is clear of clutter. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have cleared up your iCloud storage, making space for what really matters and keeping your devices running efficiently. Remember to routinely check your storage to prevent it from filling up again. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.